Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Race and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Suunto application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Actually, let me reopen it so we can see the home page. Okay, and as you can see, the app opened, we have the home page, and on the home page you need to tap on the device icon right here in the top left corner. Wait until the watch is done connecting with your iPhone. And let's go back to the home page so it can start connecting like that. Now scroll down and find the option called Manage Connection. Tap on it, tap on Forget, and tap on OK. The watch will disappear from the app. Now we can close the application, open the settings on our iPhone, and in settings find the option called Bluetooth and then tap on it. And here you should see the Suunto Race on the list of my devices. If you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, tap on Forget device, and then you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.